Then, wages. This is very conservative, okay? You can pay your children to help you in business. Okay? Now, the first $5,800 that anybody makes in this country, child or adult, is exempt from taxes. So if you was anybody, you went to work and you worked part year or whatever, or you worked part-time, and your only income that year was $5,799, you would not file taxes nor pay taxes. Okay? So what happens is you can pay your children, and as long as you pay them less than $5,800, they pay zero taxes. Now that's no different. If your child works for McDonald's and McDonald's paid them a salary or wages, McDonald's would deduct what they paid them against and make it tax deductible and lower their taxable income for the restaurant with it. When you're a business owner, you have the same right. So the government allows you to do the same thing. But they actually give you an advantage. Because if the person is your child, you don't have to take out employment taxes. McDonald's would, in other words, McDonald's would have to take out employment taxes because they're a corporation. But because you got a sole proprietorship and the person is your child, you don't have to take out employment taxes, which will be FICA and Social Security. In other words, it's like this. If you, McDonald's, if they paid your child $1,000, they'd have to take 7.65 out, which was at $76.50, $76.50 out of the person's pay, and then McDonald's would have to reach in their pocket and take another $76.50 and send that to the government for FICA and Social Security, which would be used to pay for their Social Security and Medicare down the road. Now, when you are self-employed and a sole proprietorship, and it's your child, you don't have to take out FICA and Social Security. So that not only saves you money, but it saves you a big headache, doesn't it? Okay? Now, think about doing that for your child, per child, from 6 or 7 years old to 25. Because I know some people might think it's 18, but believe me, they keep coming back. Okay? So you got a 20-year run at this. And the last 5, 6, 7 years, it's going to be at $12 or $15 or $18,000 a year because you got college and all that stuff. Okay? Well, if you add that up, you're easily talking $250,000 additional deduction. Now, you still get the same exemption, the same $3,700 that everybody else gets per child. So you write off $250,000, $300,000 over the years. Well, you just saved $100,000 in taxes for yourself, which was enough to send the kid to college, or, which I would do, maybe buy them a little small apartment complex, and just in case they don't finish college, they'll have an income all their life. But either way, right, you're making the money work. Everybody got it? All right, so that's where the deductions go. So now that could, I got $5,000 there, but that could be $5,800 per child. Now let's make some money with some money. Everybody got it?
Yes.
Let's take the $5,000 that we got from the business, as Brian said this morning. Let's take our profit and invest it. Put that in your retirement account. Okay? So we're going to drop $5,000 in because we got $5,000 in cash. That's going to lower our income again from the $60,000 on line 22 down to the line 37. We got $55,000 in income. Everybody got it? All right, now we can speed. Lanes cleared up. We brought it over to line 38 just like we did before. That was $75,000, wasn't it? We're going to write off the same itemized, standard 11.6. That takes us to 43.4, right? You're going to write off the same 4 kids at 11.1 on line 42. It's going to take us to 33.2. So now your taxable income is $32,300 instead of $52,300. $20,000 less in income, but you made $5,000 more in your pocket. Now 25% of 32,000 instead of 25% of 52,000. So now you got another $5,000. So you made $10,000. 5 from the business, and taxes gave you 5. Plus you got 5 working for you in your investment account. Do that for 10, 12 years and you'll be a millionaire. Over and over and over. That's all you do. And then if you really want to get that quicker, start showing your friends. Because the only reason they don't believe you is because they don't understand it. Right. And then they get mad with folk who do understand.